Famous last words echo through the ages, spoken by incredible figures who shaped history. From the stoic declarations of powerful emperors like Julius Caesar to the tragic reflections of Nero, their words reveal the weight of their legacies. In the moment of betrayal, Julius Caesar's last words resonate with both shock and resignation. Meanwhile, the parting reflections of Augustus provide a glimpse into the hope he sought for Rome as he faced his final moments. Marcus Aurelius embodies the philosophy of Stoicism, imparting wisdom in his closing moments. In contrast, Constantine the Great reflects on his monumental achievements, leaving behind a legacy that would shape the future of an empire. In a fiery climax, Nero's last stand encapsulates the chaos of his reign, marked by regret and defiance. Meanwhile, Hadrian finds solace in nature, reflecting on the beauty of existence as he prepares to depart from the world. As Trajan lays on his deathbed, the weight of his achievements hangs heavy in the air, prompting him to offer last instructions. In contrast, Empress Theodora speaks her final wishes with a sense of grace, leaving an enduring legacy of strength and resilience.